यदि माम अप्रतिकारम अशस्त्रम शस्त्रपाणयः धार्तराष्ट्रा रणेहन्युस्तन्मे क्षेमतरम भवेत्. Hello friends, this is the 46th shlok of the first chapter of Bhagavad Gita, and in today's video we will understand this shlok in detail. So let's first understand its meaning. So the shlok says, Yadi imam apratikaram, which means if me, unresisting, ashastram shastrapanaya, which means without weapons in this competition of weapons, Dhartarashtra Rane Hanyus Tanmay, which means killed by the sons of Dhritarashtra in this war, Kshemataram Bhavet, which means then this will put me at ease. So, over here, what Arjun is saying is that if me in this war, unresisting and without weapons, compete with the sons of Dhritarashtra, and the sons of Dhritarashtra kill me, then that will put me at ease. So we are almost getting to the end of the first chapter of Bhagavad Gita, and basically this shlok is to a certain extent summarizing the whole delusion of Arjun. So, as we have seen so far, Arjun has been saying that he does not have the desire to fight in this war because he can see that by fighting in this war, he will be fighting his own people, and he will have to kill all his loved ones in this war. And since killing your loved ones is something which is a grave sin, this will basically put Arjun in hell, and so he is worried about that. And so he's saying over here that if the sons of Dhritarashtra they kill him while he is not resisting them, then that will put him at ease. So to a certain extent, he is saying that he is worried that he might end up in hell by fighting in this war, and so he does not want to resist or put in any resistance towards his opponents who are the sons of Dhritarashtra over here. So you can clearly see how deluded Arjun has become over here. He is saying that he does not want to fight this war. He does not even want to raise his weapons or resist his opponents. So to really understand this, you have to look at it from Arjun's point of view. Arjun sees that he will be fighting his loved ones in this war, and that's why he does not want to resist them, and that's why he is worried that he might end up in hell. So, Arjun, as we know, is a Kshatriya, and therefore his dharma as such is to fight, to basically uphold the dharma. But you can clearly see over here how Arjun has forgotten his dharma. He is deluded. He is thinking that his relationship with his family is more important, and if he were to kill them, then as a son or as a grandson, he will be performing a grave sin by killing his loved ones. But he is completely forgetting that being a Kshatriya, his higher dharma as such is to uphold the dharma itself, uphold the law itself. You have seen it so many times played in the movies also. In Bollywood movies, they show how the father actually ends up killing his son because his son was on the wrong side of the law. So over here, over here you can see that as what Arjun is doing is basically as a member of the Kuru clan, he is giving higher priority to his family. So if you were to picture those Bollywood movies, what you'll see is that Arjun as such will be the one who will not be killing his son. Instead, he will be protecting his son so that he can uphold his duty as a father, and not his duty as a policeman or an army man or something like that. So that is what over here Arjun is sort of saying, that my relationship with the people in the Kuru army is more important than my relationship with my dharma of being a Kshatriya, upholding the dharma itself. So that's what he's saying over here, and you can clearly see his fear of going into hell. is also playing over here. So we have seen throughout our history how this fear of ending up into hell has been used so many times by the powerful people in the society to basically move the masses towards performing some stupid things. We see that playing up in today's times also, where people perform all these jihadi activities. That is the message that we see over here in this shlok. I hope I have explained this shlok well to you. With that, I'll close this video. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.